Hello guys, karibuni sana to POV Drives. Leo itakuwa a short one. Today it will be a short one. It's because of something that has happened when I was driving. So just stick around and I'll be telling you. So guys, I hope you are having a good time. Make sure you subscribe up to my YouTube channel. And we keep going, we keep moving. By the way, I just want to say thank you so much kwa wenye wameweza react to the to my first YouTube video. The love has been immense, and let's continue like that. Make sure me like hapo, make sure me subscribe, and I will do this. I said this, the content will get more and more better as we move, so make sure me hit that subscribe button, and we continue. So I just want to say thank you guys. Anyway, let's just get into it. When you're driving, and this is for this video manze, those who are watching, when you're on a drive, najua wengi wenyu huwa mnakuanga na ile speed na driving mbio sana, you know, ile speed thrill. But I think something you need to know, you need to understand the nature of the road. What I mean is, you need to understand how the cars are moving. Like, nature of the road is the drivers, how people are driving on that day. How, like, ukiona maswara, you know, things like that, like being on the lookout. So kuna times you can drive and say, hey, today I've had a smooth drive. Today sijapata mambo mingi on the road, sijapata some drama. But other times unaweza ingia hivi kwa barabara, maybe you're going somewhere and then the roads are just chaotic. People are just driving so bad. People are driving anyhow. Kama ni kuendesha mbio, kuna watu wanaendesha crazy sana, crazy fast, you know. Ama kuna wengine wanaendesha very slow, like hakuna gari mbele yake, but unaona anaenda speed ya 20 kilometers per hour. Wewe uko nyuma yake, uko na haraka, you have an appointment at this time, but you're like, look at this dude, this guy is not moving. But you need to understand, you know, and this usually plays with your like mental state and your state of driving, because things like those can really tip you off, like get angry, and isn't the times you can get road rage very easily. Like, you're like cussing this guy out, like, why are you not moving so quickly? Or maybe msana and you're like, hey, this guy's anataka tu kuko involved in an accident. So the point here is this, you really need to understand the nature of the road, whether it's the drivers who are driving, whether it's traffic, you know. And another thing, nusemanga hivi, before utoke, maybe you're going to town or whichever destination you're going, I think you need to look at the traffic situation, and I think you get to look at the Google Maps. Ukienda kwa maps uangalia places zenye ziko bound to have very heavy traffic, or inasaidia kujua kama barabara maybe imekuwa closed at a certain section and it will bring a lot of traffic. So before you get out and start your journey, you need to look at the traffic situation, whether it's on the maps, ile route yenye utatumia. And also now when you get on the road, you just need to understand nature ya barabara iko aje. Leo kama mimi leo nilikuwa natoka na side za Riwa nikikuja hizi side za Syokimau, and kuna venye kumekuwa na maji kwa barabara on the road because it's raining. Hata unavyoona kuna drizzle kidogo. Now when it rains, kuna puddles of water they usually form, and ikienda sana inakuwa flood. But kunapata tu kuna wase wanaendesha tu anyhow, even when there is puddles of water on the road. Utapata mtu tu anaenda na splash, hata kama tambui kuna watu kando on the sidewalk, unasplashia tu mtu on the sidewalk. Maybe unasplashia mtu pia, unasplashia gari ingine. Na mimi naangalianga tu stuff, niko like, this is not right. I think also as a driver you need to have that conscience of just knowing the nature. Like ukiona kumenyesha na kuna maji kwa barabara, just reduce your speed, just go slowly kidogo, just cover pia wase wenye wanatembea on the sidewalks and also other motorists, you see. Anyway, the main point here is you get to know the nature of the road, because ndo uweze kuwa na smooth drive, uweze kuwa na good time while driving. Yeah, ndio uweze kufit in, understand the nature, understand how the drivers are moving, and you'll have a good time while driving. So guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share this video, and I'll appreciate. As I said, more is to come. A lot of content is coming your way, and all you need to do is just subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's just the beginning, because uko mbele you don't know what's at store. But anyway, so far the support has been immense. Thank you so much for the comments and also for the feedback. See you on the other side. For now, this was a short one, but I guarantee you more is to come. Good content will be coming your way. Anyway, I hope you've understood what I was talking about. Kujua tu nature ya barabara. The drivers wenye wananisikia, hata wewe pia wenye una aspire ku buy gari, you're a driver but you don't drive often, I think this is something that you need to note. And also I'm saying this because tunaingia festive season. And now this is where you get to see all the madness, all the craziness on the roads, because wase wana travel long distances, and these are the times where unaona makarao wako wengi kwa barabara, NTSA wako rada, crackdown and all that. So take this advice very keenly and you'll have a good time. So for now, I'm going. See you in the next video. Peace.